In this video, I will reveal to you a secret website where you can access Grok AI for free and unlimited. The first step is to head over to your browser. I am on my Chrome and type in this Gemini Gen AI, and you can see the spacing, and then click on search, and then you will see a logo. The first logo that will appear is the one you should choose, and you should look very well. You can see my logo here. You can see it is brown. It is, I think, this brown or orange in color. That it lies Gemini Gen AI free unlimited VO3 Sora and Grok AI. Okay, now just click on it like that, and then you will be taken to another dashboard. Now just give it some second to load, and when it loads you can see you're taken here. So you need to first of all cancel this, join our Discord community. Just cancel this or type in do not show again, and it will not appear again here. You can see now, scroll up like this. Just ignore everything you can see and scroll up. We are interested in something that is here under. You can see it is create stunning videos with AI in seconds. Just assume that you're not using that. You are supposed to scroll down, but first of all, before that, you need to create an account on this tool. So you just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you can see register with Google, but first of all, you need to click on register with Google and wait for it to verify you are human. And you can see currently you can only create an account with Google email. Okay, and then you are verifying, so it should verify you are human and all the security. That is a must. After that, you just choose the Google account you want to use. After choosing the Google account you want to use, you will be taken here, and that is how you will create your account. After creating an account, you can see, remember to click on don't show again, so that this thing will not disturb you. After that, you need now to scroll up. Remember, now you have created an account, and you can see here select video generation provider. You can see there is a lot of provider here. There is VO3, there is Sora, there is Grok, and many others, but we on this video we are interested on Grok. Okay, so if you choose on Grok, you can see the purple color is allowed Grok. It says Grok AI, and it is free. That means it is free and unlimited to use Grok on this tool. Okay, so you can see there is the model here. You are going to use Grok, and other image reference. You can select an image and you just add the prompt and create the video, or you can create a video. You can do text to video, and you can do image to video. You can do text to video and image to video. Okay, and then you can see there is prompt. You're just supposed to write your prompt there. There is basic and there is also advanced, and all of them are free. Okay, now you need to paste in your prompt here, and then when you paste in your prompt here, you will now choose the basic or the plan advanced, but I'm going to remain with basic. And then you can see at the orientation there is landscape, which is 16:9 for YouTube video. There is 9:16 for YouTube shorts. There is 1:1, there is 2:3, all models that you want. Okay, if you want to create a video, you need to choose which orientation you want. If it's for a long YouTube video, you just choose. You can see now mine here. If you want a long video, you just select on landscape, which is 16:9. You can also see the resolution. I will just use the standard, which is 480p. There is duration, which is 6 seconds. If you also want 10 seconds, you just do that. And you can see it right. This generation will cost 0 credits, but I have 40 credits. But I will not. These credits will not be consumed if you are using that basic plan. Okay. Now I will create my video. I'll just show you an example for creating text to video and also image to video, so that someone not come tell me, okay, it is not working. Okay, if you want advanced, you can see all the settings are the advanced, but this is a lot. Okay, you can just include this in the prompt if you want, or you can use the advanced settings if you want. That is according to your choice. Okay, now I am supposed to create my own example, so let me head over to ChatGPT, and I have my prompt here. So I will copy the prompt to create the image and also the dialogue that I want. This scene 3 here. Let me copy this prompt, and then I will scroll up, and then I will copy the scene 3 dialogue. I will choose one dialogue on that. Okay, let me just choose the father and daughter dialogue. Just 2 sentences are enough for a 6 seconds. That is enough. I will click on copy, and then I will head over back to Grok AI like that. I will head over back here, and I want now to paste another prompt. I want to paste everything down here. Okay, so I'm going to start with the dialogue and then the prompt, or you can do the other way. You can also start with the prompt and then the dialogue. It all is your choice. Okay, let me copy the dialogue, and then I will keep a spacing, maybe 2 lines like that, and that is enough to enable Grok to differentiate your prompt and your dialogue. Okay, and orientation, I will stick with 16:9 because I want a long form video, and then if you want 9:16, you just do that. Okay, and resolution and duration, I will leave them like that, and then I will click on generate with Grok, and you can see this is 0 credits will be used. Okay, you must verify you are human to continue. This is a must. Okay, but it is not something that is hectic. You can just wait for it to verify, and once it verifies, you will just be created your video. Okay, if you have watched this video for so far, remember to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. It will really help me, guys. Okay, you can see it has written success, and now it is creating our video. Just scroll up like that, and you can see the video is being generated, and it is 0%. Your video is being created with AI magic, so just give it some seconds to generate. And you know Grok is very fast in creating videos. Okay, you just wait and you will see everything being done here. Okay, as I told you guys, remember to give this video a like. Okay, I'm going to show you everything that comes up with Grok, because I know Grok is good for creating our content. First of all, the dialogues, it does that work very well. Okay, and you can see now finalizing your AI generated video. This may take a few moments. Just give it time and wait until our video is fully created, and I will show you how to download the video and the last example. Okay, you can see now this is our video. You just need to click on it like that, and let me play it and see what it has for us, or what it has created for us. And this is what Grok has created for us.
I don't need a perfect life. I just need you. Please don't hide things from me.
We promise, but you must promise us something too.
You just click on this 3 dots here and click on download and save the clip on your device, or you can also long press and download the clip on your device. It's that simple. Okay, now let me head over back, and I want to create a video with a reference image. Here we created text to video. Now I want to create image to video. Okay, I will just first of all delete the image prompt here, because I don't need it, because I already have my prompt. I already have my image. Okay, so I will just delete this. And guys, if you're watching this video so far, please give this video a like. Okay, I think it is really help you content creators who want to use Grok for free. Okay, so now after just deleting all these things, we are supposed to be left with the dialogue alone, because the dialogue explains everything, and you also have a reference image. Now you just scroll up there. You can see the select image icon there. Click on it, and you're taken here. So you need to click on select file, drag and drop your image here. Just click on select file. After clicking on select file, you're taken now to your gallery, where you need to select the image you want to animate or to do dialogue. Okay, now my image is this one, so I'll just choose on that image and click on select, and now we'll be taken back here. And it doesn't take time to upload. It is very fast in uploading. Now after that, we already have our prompt, and the orientation I wanted to be just 16:9 and everything the same. You can see we created our last video, and the credits are still 40. So you just believe me that they are not using this credit. Okay, now click on generate video, and you are supposed to verify you are human again, and this is a must, so you must wait for it to verify you are human. Okay guys, remember to give this video a like. I will really remind you so many times. Subscribe to this channel, also hit that notification bell. Okay, so now you can see the video is being created, This is our video here. Let me play it.
I don't need a perfect life. I just need you. Please don't hide things from me again.
We promise, but you must promise us something too.
As you have seen, image to video is perfect more than text to video. That is my opinion. Okay, I really love how it just came out. So you just download the way I showed you. You just click on the three icon and download and save it on the gallery of your device. Okay, so now I hope this video was of helpful to you. Just subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like, and also share this video to more people so that YouTube will recommend it to more people, and it will really help me, guys, because I have been creating content a long time. I think now it is 9 months. So